It's out the back window. You can see our lawn gnome. Excuse me, sorry. Our lawn gnome garden with our guardian Sasquatch. Same squamch, guardian them all. They get along pretty good. Sometimes they have their issues, but hey, we all do, right? Oh, there's the sun now all of a sudden. Hey, sun. Hey, thanks for coming out. All of a sudden, where's my fucking power? Can I please have my power back? Please? Do I gotta fire up the fucking generator? God dang it. Gosh darn it. Dag nabbit. Flippity gibbet. Yep. Never a dull moment in Minnesota, folks. Never a dull moment. When it rains, it pours. Sometimes when it rains, it snows and pours hail. You never know. And that is all. Albino Sam Squamch says, Namaste, peace be with you, be like Buddha.